Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hi Filmmakers, my name is Omar Bofiki and welcome to my Unity Filmmaking 101 course. In this course, you will learn the basics of Unity's timeline, adding cameras and characters and then animating them. After understanding the basics, we will create a 1-minute showcase video to test what we learned and get more comfortable with the timeline, and then we will render it out and edit it in Adobe Premiere and add our custom-made soundtrack. By now, you should have a solid understanding of the whole process, so we will start planning and making a 1-minute short film. We will discuss the story, how to get ideas, working with composers and voice actors, and we will create a storyboard and then convert it into a short film. Once we're done, we will export it from Unity and edit it in Adobe Premiere to time it with the voiceover, add some sound effects, and then we will add our custom composed music. Along the way, we will cover some shortcuts, tips, and overcoming common issues when importing assets into our project, and more.